very good morning to the children of class 11 arts. Yes, children. I have completed with the last chapter, that is philosophy of the constitution, and from this chapter I'll give you certain questions. Are you ready, dear, all of you? Okay. Now, first question, right? Why do we need to adapt, ADOPT, adapt a political philosophy approach to the constitution? This can be either for 4 or for 5 marks. Next one, why do we need to go back to the Constituent Assembly? Question mark, it will be for 4 marks. Next one, what is the political philosophy of the Indian Constitution? This will be for 6 marks. Now here you see on page number 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, 230, 231, 232, 233. Here you can find that the points are given. As I have told you that it is not necessary that you explain one point in too many sentences. Do not exaggerate. Just make, for example, individual freedom. What is the meaning of individual freedom? You write that. Then what is social justice? Clear. What then? Respect for diversity and minority rights. Next one is secularism. Then universal adult franchise. What is the meaning of it? Federalism. What is the meaning of it? National identity. What is the meaning of it? Just in few sentences. This will be for 6 marks. This will be for 6 marks. Clear? The points, just the philosophy of the constitution you have to know, and you can explain it in hardly 3 to 4 sentences. Am I clear? Next one. What have been the procedure, as you write procedure, PROCEDURAL, procedural achievements of the Constitution of India. Four marks. Next one. What are the criticisms against the Indian Constitution? You are getting it on page number 235, 236. There are 3 points. Please be careful that 3 criticisms are there. It's given in point wise. Next one. How far do you think that the criticisms against the Indian Constitution are true? 2 points are there on page number 236 and 237. It will be for 4 marks. Next one. What are the limitations to the Constitution of India? This will be for 4 or 5 marks. Here, one question for 1 marks, right? Who held, H-E-L-D, held that the main objective of the Indian Constitution was to evolve, E-V-O-L-V-E, evolve. Now within single inverted commas, write these words: one community, one, O-N-E, one community. You close the single inverted comma, put a question mark. This will be for 1 marks, and the answer you are getting on page number 234, and the answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next one. Sorry. Which report, R capital, which report suggested that all citizens who have attained, ATTAINED, attained the age of 21, don't write 18, it is a 21, age of 21 should be entitled, ENTITLED, entitled to vote for the parliament. Question mark, this will be for 1 marks. Write down the answer. Right? The Motilal Nehru report. The Motilal Nehru report of 1928 next one, under which article was Nagaland given the privilege, PRIVILEGE, privilege of special status, question mark, this will be for 1 marks answer, and the article will be, right, article, A capital, article 371, then again put a capital A, article 371A. This A will also be in capital letters. Wait, let me see. Okay, did you get the date sheet for your examination? Did you get the date sheet? Okay, okay, maybe you will be getting it today. Okay, thank you very much. Now listen, your questions will be in an MCQ pattern, clear? So no need to worry, especially 1 marks questions will be there. So what you need to do is that both the chapters which I have given from both the books, read them thoroughly so that you can get more and more 1 marks, that is short questions. Clear? So my suggestion will be that you go through the chapter properly from both the books. Both the books, I have given you two chapters. That means political theory 2 chapters and Indian constitution 2 chapters. So my suggestion will be that please go through the chapters properly, because you know from the chapter itself you have plenty of scope for short answer type questions. That means mainly one answer marks question, marks 1 marks question, clear? So as it is an online examination, so you are going to have it for 1 marks and mainly in a MCQ pattern. Clear? Go through the chapters thoroughly. I suppose you will not be facing any problems with that. Okay, thank you. From next day, let me see, I can start with either political theory, or if anything is left in this book or not, I will also see that. More or less, this book has been completed. Thank you.